To set up Zelle with Wells Fargo, start by ensuring you have a Wells Fargo checking or savings account and a mobile device with internet access. First, download the Wells Fargo mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you have not already done so. Once the app is installed, open it and log in to your Wells Fargo account using your username and password. If you are a first-time user, you may need to enroll in online banking and create a username and password. After logging in, navigate to the Transfer and Pay tab. Then select Send Money with Zelle. You will be prompted to review and accept the Zelle terms of service. Next, you will be asked to add your email address or mobile phone number to use with Zelle. This information will be used to identify you when sending and receiving money. You will then receive a verification code sent to the email address or mobile phone number you provided. Enter the verification code to complete the enrollment process. Once enrolled, you can start using Zelle to send and receive money. To send money, select Send Money with Zelle. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number and the amount you want to send. You can also add the recipient as a contact for future transactions. To receive money, the sender will need to have your email address or mobile phone number associated with your Zelle account. When using Zelle, keep in mind that transactions typically occur within minutes, and the recipient will receive the funds directly into their bank account. Always verify the recipient's information before sending money to ensure it goes to the right person. By following these steps, you can easily set up Zelle with Wells Fargo and start sending and receiving money quickly and securely.